everyone, here we are there with the third video for the chapter quadratic equation. Earlier I have made two more videos on this topic. So first watch those two videos and then watch the next video. This is the same video. So the topic which is included in this video is the roots of a quadratic equation by quadratic formula and the nature of roots. So nature of roots. You are given any quadratic equation, just seeing that equation I can tell yes, that equation is going to have equal roots. Yes, I will not be able to find the real roots of this quadratic equation. So that is actually the nature of roots. So I am given a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How to tell the nature of roots? So there is something called discriminant, and that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. By knowing the value of d, I can tell you the nature of roots. So if my d is greater than 0, see there are three cases, either d is positive, equal to 0 or negative. So if my d is greater than 0, then I say that real and distinct roots, and my roots are given by minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This is also known as the quadratic formula. So if my d is equal to 0, then I say real and equal roots. You can see the previous equation. In the previous one I have root d. Now if my d is 0, then I will not have that term. So what I am left with, x is equal to minus b upon 2a. And since a quadratic equation have at most two zeros, so both my zeros are same here. Both my roots are same here. So next is the case 3, when you have d less than 0, no real root. Why no real root? Because d is negative, and under the root of a negative value is not defined in reals. So that's why we say no real root. Root exists, but they are not real. So let's revise it again. D greater than 0, the two roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct. D equal to 0, the two roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. If d is less than 0, then the two roots there are no real roots for the given quadratic equation. Then I'm going to take three different examples and I'm going to find the nature of roots. So here I have the three set of quadratic equation. One by one I am going to find the nature of roots by finding the value of the discriminant. So first, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So first I will compare it with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is my constant term. So here my a is 1, b is 7, and c is 12. So find b square minus 4ac. 7 square minus 48. So 49 minus 48, 1. So 1, this d is 1 now. So 1 is greater than 0. So what I get? My roots is real and distinct. So the discriminant of this equation is greater than 0, so real and distinct root. I can also verify that. I can also find the roots of this equation by middle term splitting also. So what my roots will come out to be minus 3 and minus 4. That's why, since the two are different and both are real values, so that's why we call it real and distinct roots. Next case, x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Again I have calculated d, that is b square minus 4ac, and I am getting my d to be 64 minus 64, which is equal to 0. My discriminant is 0. So what will be the nature of roots? Since something that comes exactly in my mind, discriminant of the equation is 0, so it will have real and equal roots. I can solve that by middle term splitting, and my roots will come out to be minus 4 and minus 4. See, both the roots are equal when discriminant is 0. So that is the case. Now I am going to take the third equation. Third equation is x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now I am going to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and I am calculating the discriminant. So my b square minus 4ac is 16 minus 20, which is minus 4. I am getting a negative value for d, and if I calculate under the root of d, then it will not be possible. So what here we say that if your discriminant is less than 0, then you don't have any real root. You have roots but no real roots. So when we apply the quadratic formula minus b plus minus under the root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, so in place of b square minus 4ac I have to put minus 4, and under root of minus 4 is not defined. So what happens? There will be no solution for this quadratic equation, or I can simply say that no real root exists for the given quadratic equation. Hope you are able to understand this topic. In case if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And thank you everyone.